Ayun nga. Ayun na po tayo nagsimula na ang events. Ito nga MAYA-2. Ito nga saan ay tumutad ng naturang nanosatellite ng Pilipinas papunta sa space.
DSS Katherine Johnson takes flight on this, the 59th anniversary of John Glenn's Mercury flight, carrying 8,000 pounds of cargo to the International Space Station. Good performance on the first stage so far.
So, yun po nakikita po natin na lumipad ngayon mismo. Itong MAYA-2, Philippine Nanosatellite, ngayon nga po ay nasa himpapawid at mabilis na pumapaibabaw at nakikita natin yun at
good core pressures.
So talagang super bilis ang naturang satellite.
Engines remain steady. Attitude nominal.
At ito po ay isang naman pong karagdagan na ikangay may ituturing
Max Q. Attitude nominal.
Ikangay source ng impormasyon.
First stage passing through the area of maximum dynamic pressure on the rocket.
At ilan pang kakailangan ng mga
90 seconds into the flight.
Impormasyon na makukuha natin maging dito man sa loob at hanggang sa labas ng
This first stage burns for a little over 3 minutes, 3 minutes 18 seconds.
About 90 seconds to stage 1 burnout.
Ayun na.
Attitude nominal. Engines at 100% and steady.
Ayan.
T plus 2 minutes.
Ayan yung pong ating makikita ngayon.
All subsystems continue in nominal performance.
Satellite. Ito po ay courtesy ng NASA.
All subsystems are nominal. We'll be ready to shift down to 80% on the engines at 170. Start of slow throttle down.
Throttling down at 3 minutes into the flight, main engine cutoff coming soon.
Throttle down to 55%. Main engine cutoff.
We have MECO, and Terry's entering into a co-stage. Fairing separation will occur about 30 seconds later. As we lose sight of the vehicle, now switching to animation. Some controlled firings on the interstage of the rocket.
Attitude nominal. Good separation.
Ito yun po, yun ang
20 seconds to stage 2 ignition.
Iiwan yung o matatanggal yung parte nitong
all subsystems nominal.
Rocket at yun
fairing separation.
Matatanggal yung ilang parte at
interstage separation.
At
confirmed fairing separation and interstage.
Tuloy-tuloy ang paglipad nito.
Stage 2 ignition.
Palabas.
Stage 2 ignition confirmed. Stage 2 is a solid rocket motor, burns for about 2 minutes 44 seconds.
Yung nakikita po natin ngayon, ito po yung
Stage 2 will continue to burn for another approximately 2 minutes. Altitude 138 kilometers.
So, orbit parameter, kilometer 163, 164 kilometer.
Mission time 300 seconds. Velocity 4.8 kilometers per second. Altitude 150 kilometers. All systems continue to perform nominally.
Good calls, 5 minutes 15 seconds into today's flight.
Stage 2 motor pressure.
Tingnan natin
Nominal.
yung altitude na miles is 101 miles, 164 kilometers.
Attitude nominal. Altitude is 170 kilometers, roughly 1 minute to stage 2 burnout. All stage 2 and GNC parameters continue to be nominal.
6 minutes 15 seconds into the flight, coming up on stage 2 burnout of that solid rocket motor. That'll initiate a 2-minute coast period until second stage separation.
Yan. At pasilong tayo sa trace kasi medyo wala.
Stage 2 starting to tail off.